What's going on, guys, and welcome back to DriveHub. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the HVAC controls on your C5 Corvette if the display is either dim or not working. Alright, now this is a very simple fix. I wasn't even going to attempt this myself at first. Then I read a couple instructions, read a couple forums, and it looks like it's pretty damn simple. So even an idiot like me should be able to do it. So what we're going to do first is remove the 4 tiny screws in each corner of the HVAC control unit. I believe it's a 3/16. Little tiny screws. Put them somewhere safe where you're not going to lose them. There's 4. Now we're going to go ahead and pull this back cover off, exposing the circuit boards. Now on this back side here, the side that has the barcode, on the inside of the circuit board there's 4 more little screws that have to come out. Go ahead and remove those. There's 4. So this would be a lot easier with a nut driver, but I couldn't find mine. Now you can just take a flathead screwdriver or whatever tool you wish to just pry the circuit board up. And it comes out like that. Now these 8 resistors right here in the middle of the circuit board are what need to be resoldered. For whatever reason, their connections get weak or they stop working, they crack, I'm not really sure. I'm not an electrician, but all we need to do now is take our soldering iron and resolder each edge of all 8 resistors. So what we're going to do is get our soldering iron ready to go. I'm using the cheap but very effective Harbor Freight soldering iron. And it's helpful if you have a pair of tweezers to hold on to the resistors as you resolder them, because they are going to try to slide around. And in this case, I just stole my mom's. Sorry, Mom. Okay, so now, once you let that sit for a little while, I just went and double checked and make sure all my connections were solid. So now we're just going to take this, put it back in its housing. These prongs are going to have to go through this side. Goes in like so. You can see now the prongs coming through there. Go ahead and put back in your 4 little screws. Okay, now those are together. Just take this back piece, flip it up, and put in our last 4 screws into each of the 4 corners again. Alright guys, so now this is all buttoned up and it's ready to go back in the car. Alright guys, so that's how easy it is to fix the screen, a dim light or a screen that's not working at all, on a C5 Corvette HVAC control unit. Please don't be too brutal to me in the comments. I know my soldering skills are not up to par, but that's what practice is for. So I hope this video was able to help some of you guys out. We're going to get this in the car. Thanks guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Happy motoring.